flight. Donate to the Emirates Airline Foundation using credit or debit cards. Just ask one of your cabin crew. Welcome on board. And welcome to ICE.
The lights gone off.
So we are taxiing on the Alpha taxiway, and we will be going all.
سيداتي وسادتي، في حال انعدام الضغط المقصورة يرجى إزالة الكمامة ووضع قناع الأكسجين على فمك وأنفك. شكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, if during the flight there's a loss of cabin pressure, remove your face mask and place the oxygen mask or drop down in front of you over your mouth and nose. Thank you.
Yes, darling. So the plane will be taking off from runway 09 right at London Heathrow Airport for the Detling 1 Juliet departure. So we will be turning left right now towards the holding point of November Bravo 11. Just in lining up behind the Virgin flight. The captain is using his tillers to turn the plane towards the left.
That's not right. Yeah. Alright.
So we are holding at the holding point of November Bravo 11, the Emirates flight number 32. Turning left towards runway 09 right. I mean, they haven't got the clearance yet to turn left on the runway, that's why we are holding here. There's another plane is also crossing the
Hello. Hello. Crew prepare for departure.
Yeah, so now we have got the clearance to turn left towards runway 09 right. Runway 09 right to take off from London Heathrow Airport for the departure. This plane is Alpha 6 Echo Oscar Victor, powered by 4 GP 7200 engines.
Broken? This one? Yeah, that's fix it.
30% on the thrust levers. Manufacturer's temperature, sorry, it's a little. So we just turned right. So we will be flying over Onslow, Twickenham, Teddington, to Wimbledon, Tooting, Croydon, then all the way to Detling and en route to Dubai.
سيداتي وسادتي، يمكنكم التصفح على قائمة الطعام المتاحة لكم اليوم على تطبيق طيران الإمارات. ما عليك سوى فتح التطبيق على هاتفك واختيار رحلة اليوم وانتقل إلى قائمة الطعام والمشروبات. يمكنك أيضا عرض قائمة على شبكة واي فاي الخاصة بنا دون شراء باقة الواي فاي. اتصل بشبكة رن اير صفح قائمة اليوم. توفر مجموعة إميريتس للتسوق على متن رحلتنا اليوم. تم التوافق الخاص بنسبة 15% على جميع منتجاتنا. بإمكانكم الاطلاع على العروض الخاصة والمنتجات المختلفة في صفحة المعلومات على نظام آيس للترفيه.
So they've started to retract the flaps of these airports now.
سوف يقوم طاقم الطائرة بالمرور قريبا للسلام. شكرا.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can view today's dining menu on the Emirates app. Simply open the app on your phone, go to today's flight and go to food and beverages. Alternatively, you can see today's dining menu on the Wi-Fi portal without purchasing a Wi-Fi package. Connect your phone to the on-air network, open your web browser and you'll see today's menu. We are pleased to offer Emirates Red in-flight shopping available for you today. You will receive a 15% discount on most of our products. If you would like to see a magazine, please ask one of the cabin crew, or you can also see today's catalogue on the ICE system by going into information. We thank you and wish you a comfortable flight.
You could see some glimpses of central London from here. You can see London Eye. You can see